Went to the water park this day.
It's not ready.
Good job. Oh, you leaking a little bit. Tighten a little bit more.
The hammer on the boat.
There you go.
If you're not using a torque, you kind of want to make sure. See how these rubbers are starting to bow? Let's see it. Yeah.
That's what we call it. Then we get you the socket with the cheater bar. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, on the water track you get a little wet.
He ain't bending for that.
Yeah, to pour the water out your boot.